Lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video, we are hooking up our cutest and cozy crochet fingerless gloves designs ideas. Hope so you like this video and all the beautiful design and pattern ideas. So please watch this video till the end without skip. Get ready to create a personalized and stylish accessories for winter season. In this video, we will be making a stylish crochet ladies fingerless gloves design ideas using yarn and techniques. Learn how to crochet warm and comfortable gloves designs ideas. So let's get started. First, let's start with the foundation chain. Next, we will add some pattern and texture. To shape the thumb, we will use different techniques. Experiment with different yarn, color and texture. Try using different stitches, pattern or glove styles. Add embellishments like button, beads, pearls, stones, applique work, flowers and many different accessories you use and decor your fingerless gloves easily. And that's it. Your beautiful and lovely look crochet fingerless gloves are complete, ready to use, ready to wear, ready to give for your lovely ones, for your friends and customers. Thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more crochet ideas, tutorial and different videos. You visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas about crochet work and knitting work like crochet work flowers, crochet work fingerless gloves, neck warmers, crochet crop top, ladies frocks, baby frock, cardigans and many different ideas. You visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas about crochet work and knitting work. And please share your creativity with us on different social medias account using hashtag. Check out our next more videos about crochet work and different accessories, home decoration ideas and different videos. Happy hooking. We will see you in the next video. These are amazing and perfect for cold winter season. Warm and cozy ideas, unique and handmade, stand out for the crowd. If you want more information about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section. I will explain you full detail with step by step in my next video. You visit many different websites and order your favorite crochet work gloves and different accessories and order your favorite design easily. Thanks for stitching along with me. See you in the next video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel, like my videos and share with your friends, relatives, customers and crochet work experts and others. Okay viewers, take care. Happy hooking. Bye bye.